4 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, мир сказок, страница 147-148. English, spotlight for homework, the world of fairy tales, page number 147-148. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 147. 147. The World of Fairy Tales. Spotlight on Russia. Exercise number 1. Match the pictures and the tales. Мир сказок. Сопоставьте картинки со сказкой. The Tale of Ivan Tsarevich, The Firebird and the Grey Wolf. A Tsar has got a beautiful garden. But every night someone comes to his garden and takes golden apples from his best apple tree. The Tsar is very angry and he asks his sons to find the thief. The Magic Wild Geese. An old man and an old woman have got a daughter, Alenушка, and a little son, Ivanushka. One day, the mother says to her daughter, "We have to work all day. Look after your brother and don't leave the house." But the daughter doesn't listen to them. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Describe your favorite characters from these tales. Опиши характер любимого сказочного героя. The answer. My favorite character from the tales is Ilya Muromets. Ilya Muromets is a Russian epic hero. He is very strong, good, and fair. His main goal is to protect the people from enemies. He wears a suit armor, shield, and sword. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Write the beginning of your favorite fairy tale from 4 to 5 sentences. Read it to your classmates. Can they guess the name of the tale? Напиши начало своей любимой сказки от 4-5 предложений. Прочитай их классу. Смогут ли они угадать сказку? The answer. The Frog Princess. In days gone by there was a king who had 3 sons. When his sons came of the age, the king called them to him and said, "My dear sons, I want you to get married so that I may see my grandchildren before I die." And his son said, "Very well, father, give us your blessing. Who do you want us to marry? Each of you must take an arrow, go out into the green meadow and shoot it. Where the arrows fall, there will your destiny be." So the sons took bows and arrows and went out into the green meadow, where they drew their bows and let fly their arrows. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 148. 148. The days we remember. Spotlight on Russia. Exercise number 1. Read and match. Наши памятные дни. Прочитай и сопоставь. The answer. The 1st of September. At first, I was scared. But my teacher and classmates were very friendly. I loved my first day at school. Goodbye to the ABC book. We sang songs about school and put on a play about the letters. Our parents came to see our concert. Everybody had a really good time. Масленица. I had a lot of fun on this day. I love the blini pancakes. We had a concert and my friends gave a performance with the wooden spoons. It was really something. Goodbye, primary school. At the end of the year, we have to say goodbye to primary school and our first teacher. I'm a little bit sad about it. We get special diplomas on this day. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. What are your most memorable days at school? Why? Bring photos and present them to your classmates. Какой день в школе тебе больше всего запомнился? Почему? Принеси фотографии и представь их классу. The answer. My most memorable day at school was New Year party. We played games with my classmates, sang songs, and said New Year resolutions. It was the most beautiful day at school. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is